directly equates to the mantra of right to sight for all visually disabled people. As they say, only thing that is constant in the world is change itself, and I see the wave of change in right direction. The role of optometry will continue to grow as very fundamental part of eye care service in Nepal. The world has seen your abilities and the will to work. Nothing can stop the bubble of optometry service rise through the waters of eye care service in Nepal to get its deserved position. You really should be proud to belong to this special group. I'm sure this conference will steer our minds in the direction of progress. And finally, I wish everyone for successful and fruitful conference ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Bhai as a Shrestha for your wishes. Now I would like to request Baldev Sahni from Silver Line Laboratories, a specialty division of Purecon, to put his few words among us.
Thank you very much. All the best to the first conference for the All Nepal Optometry Association in Nepal. All the best to the from Silver Lens Laboratories, and we are ready to help all optometrists in the shape of technical know-how and training to the some special lenses and trial set for the lenses. All the best to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your short and sweet message. Now, for the last time, I would like to request again our chief guest, Deputy Prime Minister and Health Minister, Honorable Upendra Yadav, to felicitate our organizing committee. So I would like to request him to hand over the token of appreciation to the conference chair, Sanjeeb Kumar Mishra, President of Nepalese Association of Optometrists. Our organizing secretary, Birendra Mahat, and our scientific chair, Mr. Asik Pradhan. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now we are in the end of this inaugural ceremony. I would like to request Sanjeeb Mishra, sir, the chairman of this inauguration ceremony, for his closing remarks and formally end the program.
नमस्कार सबैलाई यो कन्फरेन्समा स्वागत छ अनि यो कन्फरेन्स हाम्रो लागि एकदम यो अल नेपाल अप्टोमेट्री कन्फरेन्स यो चाहिँ फर्स्ट कन्फरेन्स हो यो अब हरेक 3-3 वर्षमा चाहिँ हामीले यो कन्फरेन्स चाहिँ गर्नु नै पर्ने हुन्छ र यसमा चाहिँ सहयोग गर्ने सबै मेम्बर्सहरूलाई म धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु साथसाथै स्पोन्सर्ड अनि अबको सेसन जुन छ नि हाम्रो यो पोस्टर इभ्यालुएसन सेसन सुरु हुन्छ त्यसपछि हाम्रो लन्च र त्यसपछि साइन्टिफिक सेसन चाहिँ सुरु हुन्छ यसैगरी अब म धेरै टाइम चाहिँ लिन चाहदिन र यो कार्यक्रमको चाहिँ सम्पन्नको चाहिँ घोषणा गर्न चाहन्छु धन्यवाद
I would like to request all the oral presenters to give their presentation slides to our technical team on the right corner of the hall.